Ignion has pioneered a series of virtual antennas, but we're not talking about those antennas today. We're talking about Oxion, a platform that helps you make antenna design your first priority rather than at the end of your design. Come, take a look with me, and we're going to have a chat to find out what it's about. Aitor, great to meet you.
Adam.
What do you do at Ignion?
Well, I'm Oxion Business Line Director, so I'm in charge of the Oxion product line. So, and also I collaborate also with engineering and marketing teams to make that platform succeed.
So let's talk antennas.
Yeah.
So typically, most small and medium enterprises don't have, in-house RF expertise. And so when it comes to designing antennas, they leave it sort of to the end of their design. What's the risk of doing that?
Well, there's a high risk because at the end, when you leave the antenna part to the very end of the design journey, at the end you rely on data sheets that are not representing exactly your product needs. So you end up testing the whole integration in the prototype stage. So there is where things break, because at the end you are not that flexible to iterate, and it has a huge impact in times and cost.
And then thinking toward this Oxion platform that you're talking about, what does that platform do? How can that help an engineer integrate RF into their projects?
So Oxion is intended to solve exactly that problem. So at the end, we know that mostly SMEs and even bigger companies don't have in-house RF expertise.
Right.
So Oxion is a digital twin for that, or the RF expert in the house for that. So at the end, in Oxion, what we are trying to push is an antenna-first mindset, where users can evaluate the different antenna possibilities within our product portfolio and make sure that they, just following a simple 3-step design journey, can integrate our technology in their system, enabling wireless connectivity in the optimal way.
And so what sort of engineering support, if I'm an engineer and I'm using Oxion, what is the kind of support that I'm expected to get? What can I do with the tool?
So our engineers are RF experts and antenna experts. So from that perspective, our engineers can help you with anything you need on the antenna, but also on the RF system part of the design. Of course, if there is any specific part of the RF system that it's outside our scope, we also have a solid network of partners that can help you with that. But coming back specifically to the antenna, the Oxion platform is intended to solve that for you. But of course, if you need to go the extra mile, you have some questions, our engineering team is also supporting that platform behind.
So let's say I'm an engineer and I need some help integrating antennas into my design, but I'm from a different time zone. I'm not necessarily in the same location as your team. What support can I get?
Well, that's absolutely not a problem. So we have a global footprint. We have customers from all over the globe. We have actually, our engineering team is based in Barcelona, but we support the whole globe. Actually, we also have regional sales teams and engineers, also in China and the US. So if you want to meet us, if you need some support from our engineering team, you can either just schedule a call with us and one of our engineers will jump in and understand your design, making sure that you address all the challenges that you may face. And then also we have the Oxion platform. We have an AI assistant, which is called Max. Max should be able also to support you in many of the questions that you may have, making sure that you don't rely also on this human intervention. But if you need it, we also can support you on that.
And so, Aitor, a little bird has told me that there are upgrades coming to Oxion. So as far as I'm aware, there's a free tier, but there's now another tier above that. Could you tell me about what's coming?
Yeah, so Oxion has been there for 2 years already. So we truly believe that the freemium plan should still be there. So Oxion should be a place where everybody can just sign up for free again and start designing their own project with us. But it's true that at the same time, we are leveraging more features, advanced functionalities, and also including in those plans, expert support and virtual antenna component units. So for instance, we have a couple of paid plans. By the way, just one plan per project, so which means that you pay once forever, and you can just execute or use that plan at the pace that you need. So in those plans, you get access to hours of our engineering support and also components, so you can start building your own prototype or even your first production of it.
And so, look, if I'm an engineer and I want to get started using Oxion, I want to get started using Ignion antennas, what are my next steps? How can I begin?
Easy. Just go to oxion.ai, sign up, it's for free, start the project. It's a 3 simple step form that you need to fill in. And from that point, we guide you through to success.
Awesome. Aitor, thank you very much,
Adam,
for that whistle-stop overview of Oxion. This is Ignion at Embedded World 2026. If you want to find more information about their products and their services, you can find the links in the description below. And as always, ipXchange, stay disruptive.